So can you really make money just by watching videos on your phone? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, for the last few years, I've seen several videos talking about how you can make $100 a day just by watching videos, get $5,000 a month just by watching videos, all this crazy shit, right? So far, all of these methods that are supposed to teach you how to make money by watching videos are all trash, right? So I just watched a video from a fairly popular YouTube talking about how to get paid from watching 30-second ads from your phone. And, you know, she talked about how she tried it, right? So, of course, I watched the video, you know what I'm saying? So this is good research. But I already knew before I watched the video that, you know, it wasn't going to be what people thought, right? So in the video, she talked about a website called PaidWork.com. Now, if you sign up to this website, you'll be able to actually get paid just by watching 30-second ads from your phone. Now, even though in this video she was talking about how she tried it, right? Cool. But there are a lot of videos on YouTube that advertise this, that actually say like, how to make $100 a day watching videos from your phone. Easy $50 a day. Easy $1,000. You know, like, stop it, right? Just stop it. But anyway, watching this video, I already knew about paid work. So as soon as I seen, oh, you got to sign up with PaidWork.com, I already knew ain't no damn money gonna be made. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no damn money gonna be made from PaidWork.com. Now, just to be clear, when I'm talking about ain't no money gonna be made, I'm talking about real money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not getting $50 a day. You're not getting $100 a day from PaidWork.com. I don't care what nobody tell you. All right. But does PaidWork.com pay out? Are they a legit company? Yes. Yes, they actually do pay out, you know, for the jobs that you do on this site. But the answer is how much? How much money can you potentially make just by watching videos on your phone? So to get to the point, she actually watched video ads for 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes. She sat there and watched these damn ads over and over and over. And when she was done, her grand total for watching these videos was 19 cents. I know you heard me correctly. 19 damn cents is how much she made for 30 minutes of her time. And to be fair, like in the video, it wasn't even a 30 straight minutes, because after 15 minutes of watching these 30-second ads, the actual website stops you and say, hey, we all out of ads. You got to come back later. So she actually didn't even do this straight. She had to actually do it for 15 minutes and wait an hour or two, come back and do another 15 to 20 minutes, right? Because they won't let you just sit there all day and watch these video ads. So when you really think about it, is that not the biggest waste of time ever? You know what I'm saying? So when these people create these videos that legitimately tell you, oh, this is how you can make $50 a day just by watching videos, or $50 a day just by watching videos, is complete bullshit, right? Now, maybe one day some program will come up where you can get $2 for watching a video or something like that, but I haven't seen that yet. So in the video, she actually said at the end, she goes, well, when you take what I earned just by doing this 30-minute watching videos, if you were to do this for 8 hours a day, you would earn a little over $4 for 8 hours. $4. Like, I mean, you know, that's insulting. But to be fair to PaidWork.com, it's like they don't tell you, hey, this, you can make full-time income doing this. I don't think. I hope they don't say that on their website. But like, I'm pretty sure the website don't tell you, oh, you can make $500 a day or $50 a day. None of that shit, right? So what the problem is like these YouTubers who make videos and they tell you, oh, this is how to do it. This is how to hustle the system. This is how to work this website to make this amount of money. Paid Work.com is not paying your ass a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Like it most likely it's not going to happen. So can you actually make money just by watching ads on your phone? Yes. But can you make a significant amount of money doing this? Hell no.